All right, my lovely friends, here we go, together again at last, and we have a lot to talk about, as usual. It just never stops. All right, let's begin with the basics. As I am doing this video blog, trading has been going on for about 20 minutes, and the stock market is already very volatile, swinging all over the place. I think this is going to be the norm for a little while here. There is a lot of dynamics in play. Let's talk about some of that right now. So, again, as I am doing this video blog, and I'm going to urge you to look at this for yourself. Bonds are selling off, and the dollar is gaining some strength here. Again, right on my website, traderschoice.net, right side of the page under the chat room, you will find a bond market chart and a dollar chart. You really should follow these things, and it will, especially if you're a trader or if you're trying to understand these markets, because I cannot stress to you the importance of understanding the debt market. The debt market is what dictates value for everything else. So if you can understand what's happening in the bond market and what's happening with the dollar, you'll have a much better clue as to where stocks are going to go. Again, those charts are for you, they're not for me. So take advantage of it. There is a link in the description of this video. So again, stocks all over the place this morning, about flat. The Dow was up fractionally when I just checked it right prior to this video. S&P 500 negative, NASDAQ in the negative. Bonds are selling off. Dollars getting bought up. We need to keep our eyes on these things. Okay. Now, it seems that the theme, and I wake up this morning, my email box lit up like a Christmas tree. What's going on with cryptocurrencies? If we have learned one thing about cryptocurrencies is they can be pretty volatile here. I explained to you a couple of days ago when cryptocurrencies were taking a hit that I thought it was a buying opportunity, and I still stick to that theme. Yeah, sure. We've seen this before. Where cryptocurrencies take a hit and all of a sudden they rebound. That's what's going to happen here. I have no doubt about it whatsoever. And I know there are some in this group that despise cryptocurrencies and some in another group that understand that there is value there. I am one of those people, okay? That's my opinion. You can have your own. I'm just telling you what I think. So with regard to this hit on cryptocurrencies, it's just screaming buy, in my opinion. Now let's talk about metals. Metals are under pressure right now. I also think they're screaming buy. I don't even look at the price action of precious metals. It's not real. We know the rigging that's going on here. JP Morgan Chase caught yet again rigging the metals market. I mean, this is a theme that's been going on since time immemorial, and it's not going to stop. So we know that. So we take advantage of it. So, again, I don't even think about what metals might be doing with regard to the derivative market. It's upside down. You know that. The hard asset derives value from the derivative. Are you kidding me? Well, that's the way it's set up so they can play with the paper market all they want to. Good. Let them play their game. We're going to play our game. It just could not be more simple. And I know people get upset about it. They're like, oh, look what they're doing to silver. Oh, look what they're doing to gold. No. Laugh. Laugh and smile. Smile very big, very large, and very happily, like a Cheshire cat. Yeah, that's exactly what you should be doing. Let them do it. All they want to, because at one point, all of this is going to correct to fair value. You know that. So we use the current environment to our advantage. We're not going to let them win. They will not win. I don't care what they want to do. They're not going to win if we stick to our plan. And we know what our plan is. Bet against the debt, become your own central bank, get out of the dollar, period. They're going to dilute it. I mean, come on, we know what's going on. Federal Reserve, at least $75 billion per day in repos, plus another at least $30 billion per day in longer-term purchases. Do you think this is going to be the end, like it's going to all stop? No, this is just the beginning. Again, I've explained to you that we are about to see a debt expansion cycle like you can't believe. It's going to eclipse. We already are eclipsing what happened during the financial meltdown. They have no alternative but to inflate and inflate beyond the point where you could possibly imagine, just to keep this afloat. This environment it's just unbelievable. It literally is, where distortions are manifesting themselves to a degree that I think they will be talking about for 1,000 years after this thing corrects to fair value, for which it will at one time. Who knows when, and I don't care when. All I know is for now, I personally am becoming my own central bank, betting against the debt, betting against the dollar, which is a unit of debt, and I'm trading the market in front of me, the one I have, not the one I'm dreaming about, thinking about, foaming at the mouth about, or even speculating on. I don't give a damn, and neither should you. Talking about that, my 1, 2, 3 boom system, I upgraded it. I changed it from Renko bars to Heiken Ashi bars. I think it's easier to read. Renko bars, as strong as they are, and I like Renko bars, especially for intraday trading. I think for swing traders, possibly the Renko bars aren't working as well, so that's why I switched the 1, 2, 3 boom system, which is free for every one of you. It's right on my website. Put in any ticker you want, and you can look at it. I even put a little tips section in there. I will not let you lose. I promise you that. I will make every effort that you can think about, and then some, to bring you the most up-to-date, pertinent information so you can capitalize on the charade around you. That's what this is all about. Period. The end. I don't care what they do. I don't care what they want to do. We know what they're going to do. It could not be more simple. So, being that we know the plan, I mean, need I say more? It's an incredible thing. It really is. It's really the gift that keeps on giving. With that said, please share this video, get it out there, understand what we're witnessing here in the market, understand what we're witnessing with cryptocurrencies and what's happening now, understand what will continue to happen in the precious metal markets, completely rigged, no price discovery mechanism. It's absolutely fake. Everything is fake here. We understand that the debt market is being rigged to the highest order. So how can one single asset, anyone you can even dream about, a house, be priced fairly if the largest aspect of the market is being rigged by world central banks, none more than the Federal Reserve, to keep rates suppressed? And we have a president that is continuing to ask for rates to be suppressed lower, even going to the negative. What will that do? Continue to rob savers blind because they can't earn a rate of interest on their interest earning accounts to even keep up with the rate of inflation. You're going to be robbed further to support the stock market and support the CEOs and the 1%ers. That's what it is. Don't think it's any surprise why not just the President of the United States, but every world leader, developed nations, Mario Draghi, just as another example, wants their central bank to do the same thing. The people are being fleeced on a grand scale and following leaders who are leading them to the slaughter. And they smile while they're doing it. This is what they do, the brain dead. And they huff and puff, and they spray their shorts and everything because they think they're doing the right thing. But they have no clue because they've been programmed and brainwashed. It's an incredible thing to see, but that's what we're witnessing. People, this guy loves you. Please share this video. I'll see you at the end of the day.